Let's begin with Doodly 101, your Doodly beginner walkthrough. This video tutorial was created with version 2.5.6, but the walkthrough will help you learn any Doodly version. Hi, I'm Wayne, the creator of this free video content. Nice to meet you. In just a bit, I'm going to show you content that's designed to show you 1 minute and 30 seconds of different video design techniques, try to make you laugh, all the while telling you how you can support this channel free of charge. If you're someone that feels the thousands of hours I've spent creating free content for you is not worth the 1 minute and 30 seconds of your time, simply use the chapters feature I've taken the time to create in this video and skip over it. Just move your mouse over the video timeline and click on the next chapter. For those of you that do appreciate the time I've taken, here it is, and thanks for watching. This free video tutorial took billions of light years to create. YouTube judges a channel by subscribers, likes, shares, and video hours watched. We only ask, for all our hard work, please use those buttons and let this video run until the end. Easily support this channel free of charge. Here are some methods. Click that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. This video is monetized. Let the video run all the way to the end. The ad revenue, as little as it is, helps support this channel. Join our Facebook group. You'll find a link in the description. You'll receive group status with me and other experienced doodlers and video designers ready to help. Share these videos with other people you know and even people you don't, whether it's in the official Doodly Facebook group or somewhere else. The more people that watch and comment, the more videos I'll create. Join Production Crate through the link in our description. They have a free account and some of the best video designing effects I've found on the internet, along with tutorials, so you know how to use them and you can create effects like what you'll see throughout this video series. YouTubers! Reference back to our video in your video or video description. We would be appreciative of a link back to our channel or a plug in your video showing us our hard work paid off. Let us know about it so we can return the kindness. Contact us if you want to get a little more creative and learn how to pass traffic amongst channels. In Chapter 8, we discussed tools when working with the canvas. The plan was to talk about showing and hiding the preview in this chapter. We've already spoken about that in detail in Chapter 7, so we're going to skip past that in Chapter 8. We will focus solely on working with grid lines. There are multiple ways to line up assets in Doodly, but the easiest method is using the grid. One of the items that is not shown here but in the newest version of 2.5.6 is the Snap to Grid feature. It's a checkbox that's located to the left of the Show to Grid button. When clicking Show Grid, we can see there are lines behind the assets that will allow us to line them up. Keep in mind that if you decide to use an asset as a background image because you want to see the glass board effect behind the image, this will render the grid useless, as you will not be able to see it, just like you cannot see the grid behind the assets on the canvas now. We can move the assets to align them to the grid lines. You know what? There are way too many assets on the canvas. Let's delete some of these. By holding down the Control key or the Command key on a Mac and clicking each of the assets on the Layers section, we can highlight multiple layers. Now, go up and click the garbage can and Doodly will provide a message that says, "You are about to remove the selected assets from the scene. You can add them back again later by browsing the asset library. Are you sure you want to continue?" with a cancel or OK button. Clicking cancel will leave the assets on the canvas, whereas clicking OK will remove the assets from the canvas. There are still way too many assets on the canvas. Let's highlight some more of these, but this time we'll push the delete key on the keyboard. Using the delete key, we receive the same message. Clicking OK? Good, that's better. The Snap to Grid checkbox that you don't see in this version will automatically snap the assets to each of the grid lines, making lining up assets a breeze. For right now, this video will show you the manual process. Save yourselves the frustration and use the Snap to Grid checkbox that will be available in your version. Enabling full screen will provide a tiny bit more room on the canvas. Let's line these up and resize the canvas, and there, we have everything set up. Keeping in mind that just because an asset is off the canvas doesn't stop Doodly from showing the hand drawing outside the canvas. So try to prevent these types of design flaws and use masking and editing techniques instead. Hey, that's it for this video, but not for the rest of the information on this channel. Here are some more videos to help you keep learning. Click that subscribe button and tap that notification bell for more Doodly tips and tricks. Let's make a deal. You keep watching the videos and I'll keep creating the content.